The Lagos State government is investigating the employment of 89 laborers from Katsina State at the Dangote Refinery, Lekki, Lagos. The development comes after a viral video showed young men arriving in Lagos and converging on Lekki area of the state, sparking security concerns among locals and on social media. The Lagos State Police Command last Friday debunked speculation surrounding the viral video. The police allayed fears of insecurity, assuring the residents that there was no cause for alarm. The police confirmed that the individuals are legitimate workers recruited from Katsina State for employment at the Dangote Refinery. However, the state chairperson of the Nigerian Labour Congress, Fumi Sesi, alleged labour laws violation, criticizing the purported employment of unskilled labourers from the north and not from the community hosting Dangote Refinery. The Labour leader also threatened a protest. While speaking during a chat on Sunday, the Lagos State Commissioner for Information and Strategy, Bengal Motosho, said an investigation was ongoing. He maintained that security agencies were aware of the situation and should be allowed to conclude the probe. Also, in a statement posted on X, formerly known as Twitter, on Friday, the State Police Public Relations Officer, Benjamin Iyudein, said upon receipt of information on the viral video on 14th of May 2025, officers from the command were immediately deployed to the location to ascertain the fact. We will continue to supply you more news updates as this story develops. Keep watching Naija News TV.